All right, so problem 2 is indicating what is most nearly the mean of the following data set. So here, this is a little different because we've got, let's say, the value 2,480, it was observed 23 times. The value 2,440 was observed 35 times, and what have you. So we're essentially just calculating an average, but you have to go through and you know, you think, well, what's the formula for an average? Well, you'd have to add up 2,480 23 times, or essentially multiply it by 23. Instead, I'm going to use the calculator. So we're going to go to mode. We're going to go back to computational mode to clear out everything that we did in statistics. Now, what I'm going to do for this problem is I'm going to go to Shift and then hit Setup. Okay? So right next to mode. Now you'll notice a number of options, you know, degrees, radians, fixed, all that stuff. If I go down, it brings up even more options. Okay, and if you look, what does option 4 state? Stat. So if I hit that, this tells me whether or not I can enter data points with a given frequency. So for this problem, I'm going to turn that on. Okay? Now, I'm now going to go to mode, go to 3, and then to one variable again, because I'm still in one variable statistics. And now the table should look a little different, because you should have an X column and then a frequency column. Everybody have that? All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off and enter in all these values on the left. So I'll say 2480 and hit equals. 2440 and hit equals. And notice how it's automatically assuming that they are at a frequency of 1. We're going to go in and change that here in a second. 2400 equals. 2360 equals. 2320 equals. Okay, so I should have 5 rows of data. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the arrow cursors to go up to frequency on that first one, and then enter in the frequencies. So 23, enter. 35, enter. 40, enter. Or equals, I guess I should say. 33 equals. 21 equals. Then hit AC again. That'll put you back in your home screen. Then you go to Shift and 1 to where it's the same thing. We're going to look at that statistical distribution. I want to go back to variables, but in this case, what's the problem asking for? I'm asking for the mean. I need X bar. So 2, asking for X bar, hit equals. What does it say? 2401.5789, what have you. And what's the answer? C. Not too bad, right?
Well, now we're going to solve this problem using TI calculator. They are pretty much the same. Maybe the same procedure, I would say, on the TI calculator. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to hit data, and then it's going to give us this table. Then we're going to enter the values in the column 1. It's going to be 2480. Enter. 2440. Enter. 2400. Enter. 2360. Enter. 2320. Enter. Okay, next thing what we're gonna do is actually move to the next column by the arrow, the right arrow, and then enter the frequency. 23, 35, 40, 33, 21. Okay, now we enter the data. We need to go to the statistic functions. To access that, you need to press second and then stat or data. As you can see, when you hit second, you're accessing the blue functions. Okay, now we're here. Since we have one variable, we need to press either 2 or use left arrow, down arrow, excuse me. Okay, hit enter one more time, and then now we're gonna tell the calculator where you store the data. We store it in column 1, which is L1. We hit enter, that's good. The frequency, actually we don't have one for the frequency, we have the frequency, so we store it in L2. I'm gonna go to L2 and hit enter, and then calculate. And as you can see, X bar, which is the mean, it's 2402 when you round up. That's answer C, and that's the closest one we have. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like if you like, dislike if you dislike, subscribe for more videos. Thank you, bye.
Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. Click below and subscribe.